You won't believe it if I tell you that my friend has generated over 300 orders from his Shopify jewelry store by using this exact strategy. So what happened was that my friend started his own jewelry store, but by the time it came to marketing, his budget had already run out and he had no options left for marketing. So he adopted a strategy. He did this. He approached 10 to 20 micro-influencers and told them to take his jewelry and make videos about it. And if the video reached a certain number of views, the product would be free for them. Those micro-influencers started making videos about his jewelry. It wasn't that everyone's video got above 1 million views. Out of them, only 2 or 3 videos crossed 1 million views, and he gave those influencers the jewelry for free. Even the rest of the videos got very good views. But the benefit was that he started getting orders. As soon as he started getting orders, he began to have a marketing budget as well. So using that marketing budget, he started running retargeting ads. As soon as he started the retargeting ads, he began to get even more orders, and his marketing budget kept increasing. To hire good influencers. Then he gave his product to big influencers as well, and through them his entire setup got started and he began to receive a lot of orders. So if you also have a limited budget, you can use this strategy too. Many brands use this strategy. If you want this entire strategy in PDF form, I have already prepared it. Just comment UGC and I will send it right to you.